Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're going to work on some mystery lab challenges of HTTP request smuggling. And I'm going to do this mostly because there's a lot of them. They're difficult and it'll be good practice for me. But I'm going to set some rules. So the problem that I run into is with request smugglers, so many different ways to solve the lab, or objectives that the lab could have. I could need to poison the request of a victim, or just simply get a 404. And so I'm going to basically try to identify the vulnerability, and then once the vulnerability is identified, I'll be allowed to look at the objective. So I'm going to set that rule. No looking at the objective until the vulnerability has been identified. But then I also created this script. What did I name it? Quick detection. So I could run the HTTP request smuggler plugin in Burp on each site to find the vulnerability. And to be honest, that's what I'm going to use that tool both in the, doing pen tests and when I do the tests. So I think it's allowable to use it here also. The problem is that tool takes a long time to run. It does a lot of different, lot of stuff to it. So it can take, I don't know, I've never timed it, but like 10 minutes. And I just don't have that kind of patience. So I created this script, which is called Quick Detection, that runs through some of the basic, types of vulnerabilities and checks if we're vulnerable. So, like the H2CL, if I get a timeout, or a 404, sorry, that's H2CL. The CLTE is what I was thinking about with the timeout. If I get a timeout, then I think this is vulnerable. So I'm going to use this. The only thing I don't like is I did hard code this path. I'm going to leave it for now, but I could make that a argument to provide, but I'm going to leave it. I also have this check for admin. So it runs a GET request in the beginning, right at the beginning for the admin page. And then based on the response, it'll let us know whether that exists. So this is just to help with these mystery challenges to know if the goal is to get to admin. But as I said, my rules state that I can run the view objective when necessary. All right, enough jibber jabber. Let's get started. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. If you think my rules are bad, let me know that too. Okay, so got our site. I'm going to turn on Burp. Make sure we get that into Burp. And this is where reveal objective. So I feel like I can click that as soon as I know what the vulnerability is. But I can't, I'm not allowing myself to click it before. So quick detection, paste that, and let's see what this comes up with. Admin page exists, but is forbidden. So the objective has to do with probably deleting Carlos. No, not HTTP2. Interesting. Not CLTE, not TECL. Oh, it is TECL. Okay. So we've got it in burp proxy HTTP history. We've got 2 of them. Whatever. Let's send this one. What's the difference? Oh, that was the Python one. Okay. Send to repeater. So it's vulnerable to TECL. So front end will use transfer encoding. Back end will use content length. Most likely. This isn't definitive because it could be TE. So let's try this. Host. Let's go transfer encoding. We'll do chunked content length 10. I'm going to change this to post. I'm going to go boom, boom. It said front end uses, so I need a number here, something. And then, but the back end uses, so I'm going to do get Trevor HTTP 1.1 foo x 0. Okay. Now, I don't want this to update. I want content length to be viewed as 3. So it ends right here. Ooh, this isn't going to work. Let me do get. We'll just put it in the body. So I need 2 lines. And I need a host. Host. Copy. Like that. That means with these 2 lines, that means the next one is going to attach here, which is the body of the get. So if my goal is to get a 404 when I send this. So I need to adjust this one. That one's correct now. I need to adjust this one, that one. Everything else should work. I don't even need the foo x, but I'll leave it because I already have it. Okay, so I need to copy all of this and go to local 49154. Paste this. Make sure I have all of that. Okay. Transfer coding is 61. 61. Okay, and then I want to proxy send a repeater. After it, I'm going to group these RS2 green. Great. Send separate connections. All right, so the first one's going to be sent. It's going to, hold this request in buffer. Then this one's going to be sent, which will attach to the body here. And my hope is that the response to this one gets 404. There we go. Woo! Awesome. So it is TECL. Now I need to figure out, now I'm allowed to look at the objective. Delete the user Carlos. Ooh. So, interesting. Do we need, this is hard. We probably need to TECL. Capture. That's what I'm thinking. Capture a victim So, like, post this, act like we're posting a comment, leave the comment field last, and hope that the victim is getting. These are why these are so hard, because I don't know if there's an automated victim that will request like the homepage every whatever seconds. But that's what I'm going to try. Try to capture their request and their cookies through a comment, because that will reflect and store it so I can see it. All right. Well, let's go through the motions. Post ID not found. What? Oh, did I poison? Okay. Blah, blah, at blah, or blah, blah at blah.com. Post. Back to blog. Make sure it was successful. And then here, proxy. I want to go do the post. So this is where I want their comment to go. But I need their... Do I need? No. I'm going to use my session and CSRF token. Okay, so let's replace repeater. Replace this line with this. I need to put my session and CSRF token. So proxy, we need this. Repeater here. Proxy. Oh, but the 0. This won't work. The 0 is going to get in the way because they can't. The front end uses transfer encoding. Back end. Oh, no. Well, yeah. This should work fine, right? No. The 0 is going to get in the way. Ah, crap. My plan is not going to work. Because of the 0. So how do we just bypass? What was the admin? Forbidden. Okay, so let's try bypassing it by just doing a get /admin like this. So we need to adjust this now, and that one will be fine. Okay. So we got 54. Let's try sending this. What did I do wrong? Internal server error. Oh, content length 3. I need this to be 4. What? Oh, and this has one too many lines. How many? On this doesn't have an extra line. Boom, boom. So 58. $58. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What are you going on about now? This should be right. There is a my account. Oh, crap. Because there's a my account, I'll bet that's how I'm supposed to capture. Maybe I was on the right track before. Peter. No. Okay. Why didn't this work? I'm going to go back to one that did, which was this one. Three is wrong, though. This should be 4. Okay. Let's just try something. Let's try the... I really think the 0 is going to get in the way, but let's try what I was going to do in the first place, which is that post to comment. So we want post this one. Okay, so we've got the post comment host. We need the session. Repeater. And then here we need the CSRF, all that crap. So proxy. Oh, I want the get here that has my session. Form. So yeah, we'll take this one, but let's take this format. Oh, and we also need, remember, content type. Peter. Paste that. And content type. Okay. Now, CSRF ends in LE4. Proxy, the get. CSRF ends in LE4. So that's fine. Repeater, let's move the comment to the end. Website equals ampersand comment, and we'll leave it just like that. Okay, with this new body, we need to calculate the new transfer encoding length, and we need it to be to add like that. Do we need that? Proxy. No, we don't want that. ending. So Control A, V. So I want to make sure I hit backspace so that it is right there. And this is 12B. 12B. I don't think I'm doing this right at all. 1, 2, B. So this, instead of 4, I want it to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay. Well, let's try sending this. Not found. That was a okay. Invalid. Oh. Invalid post. Blog post ID? Post ID is 2. That should be valid. Except for it's getting these not founds. I didn't think there's got to be something with that. Now, I don't know what it is. So I may have failed on the very first mystery challenge. What else? So why would the 404... It's got to be something around poisoning, like the Q. So this is out, I'm pretty sure. I don't know why. Invalid blog post ID, which is 2. 2 should be absolutely valid. I don't understand that at all. Post comment. It worked here. Okay, so we need, the objective is to delete the user Carlos. We know TECL. We think the user Carlos visits the home page. So I'm going to have to, failure all around. I'm going to have to view the full lab description. All right. Well, let's just do it. So the very first mystery challenge, and I failed. Yeah, TECL, we did identify that. Smuggler requests the backend server that access the admin panel. Smuggle a request to the backend server that accesses the admin panel. Didn't we do that? Or at least try? Didn't I try to like get /admin? We don't need. Where do we want? We don't need this. We don't need this or this. And that needs to go there. Boom, boom. All right. So, I thought I tried this. We need this to be there. So 60. 64. Send. 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 Why is this getting internal server error? That doesn't make sense. Get/admin blank line. I need the blank line to be there. 4 is right. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got the home page and not admin. But it's because, what's the 8806? It's because this one isn't poisoning correctly. 60. Maybe just there. Well, let's try 5E. 5E. Huh. That was it. Unauthorized. Ooh. Only available to local users. Oh, sweet. So let's try changing this. And the key was, so this is something to keep in mind. I put 5E, which meant that before I had it right here, so that the carriage return line feed from this line was included, but I just needed to hear so that, yeah. And then it started working. Oh, I didn't calculate the new with localhost. Localhost. Let me make sure, yeah. So 2E. We got a 200. Yes! And we got, and it's a get. Ooh, so not a total, well, I guess we did look at the thing, but okay, so now we just need this. To get this, and we need to copy this to here, which is 45. Not found. Think we got it. Yeah. All right. One down. Whoo. That did not go as well as I was hoping. But maybe it's just, you know, some jitters we need to work out. All right. Well, let's jump right into another one. Why not? I think it would be rude not to do another one. Did we learn anything? Yeah, that figuring out how to do these are hard. That's what I learned. Okay. We've got a my account. We've got a search. Let's do the same thing. We need to figure out the vulnerability. So Python quick detection this. And again, this is just up H2. This is just a quick way instead of doing proxy or target, right click, engagement tools or extensions, HTTP smuggler, launch all scans. So instead of doing this, I am using my tool to make, in replace of it. H2TE attacks. So H2TE admin page exists. So we've got to use H2TE to get to the admin page. What I imagine. H2TE. So we need to verify, before we can look at the objective, we need to verify the vulnerability. So this is OFA, this one. Let's go to this one. Send to repeater. Okay. H2TE. Interesting. So we want allow. We want H2. And we want, let's delete all this crap. We need transfer encoding chunked, right? So this is going to be like the backend's going to read transfer encoding chunked. So if we put like a 0 or like a 1, X, and then a 0, or if we just put a 0, enter, enter, and then a get Trevor HTTP 1.1 foo X. The next request goes there. The first request ends here. Okay. That looks good. Let's go to proxy. No, let's go get, well, I guess we can do that one. It's shorter. Send a repeater. We're going to delete all of this. And then we're going to add tabbed group, create tab group. We'll name this 2. And we'll go red. Okay, so this, let me send it by itself. Make sure we get a 200. Make sure we get a 200. Hello? What's going on here? Okay, there, we got a 200. Now, we're going to try to poison it with this one using H2 request and transfer encoding chunked. And that second one should end up right here, so we get a page that doesn't exist. So this one should now be get a 404. Send in sequence, separate connections. Let's try it. There's our first failure. Okay, we did that one right. What is going on here? This is a HTTP 1.1. We got a 200. That's no good. Let's try it again. And we still got a 200. That's no good. TE, H2 TE. So the back end uses transfer encoding, front end uses H2. So this should work, right? Ends here. Oh, no, it's not going to attach. Is it? Does it see this as 2 requests? No. So the front end will see this whole thing. The back end will see just this and a blank line. Think that's the end right there. So it'll think this is the start of the next request, which is what we want. And so that this should attach itself right there. Should be right. There we go. Not found. That's what I was hoping for. Why didn't it work? Why are some of these so damn slow? Not found. Let's try admin. Unauthorized. Woo! Logged in. Only available if logged in as administrator. So we definitely have to attack the user on this one. And this one, we should be able to still. So what I was trying to do last time, we should be able to do here. Because it is, so we can do post and not search, because that'll just reflect it. Let's go view post. Blah, 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 at blah, com. Because now we don't have that 0 in the way. I think what I was trying to do last time should work here. So, proxy. We need this. This is going to be what the header for what we're going to poison the next one with. Repeater. V. Proxy. We need this. And this. We need the right header. Content type. Should we do content length? I don't see why not. Well, let's leave it. Is it? Yeah, we better put it. Content length. I don't know. I'm gonna leave it off for now. Okay. Let's go back to proxy. Boom. So we want this. Copy. Repeater. V. We want to move the comment to the end. We remove the blah. And double check that this FGQ will work. Proxy will go to the latest get of a post and check FGQ. That will work. Okay. There. So we're going to use HTTP2 to smuggle this prefix for the next request, which we are not going to send. We are going to try to get the victim to glom on to the end of this so that we can steal their cookies. So I'm not going to send the group. I'm going to send a single, and we just got to send it, wait a few seconds, send it, do that enough times, and hopefully we'll get something. All right, let's try it out. So wait, like, I don't know, 10 seconds. 10 seconds is probably a bit much. How do we know when we've got it? We've got to do a get to that post, but we want to make sure that. Interesting. So we're definitely poisoning something. I'll do it, I don't know, like 5 more times, and then we'll check the post. I don't like this. So 5, 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 4, 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 3, 5. 2, 1, 5. Okay. That's as many times as I wanted to do it. Let's see if we got anything. No. We did not. We did not even get ourselves. We should have tested it against ourselves. Let's send both of these. I was so sure that I had it. Okay. I probably need a content length. I'll add that as soon as this does whatever. So it didn't poison it, I don't think. Post comment. So let's do content length of. Oh crap, we need this plus whatever they're going to put. So this is 96. Let's do like 150. 150. Hey, that looked like it works. That was the issue then, right? That was definitely the issue. So we need a lot more than 150 though. But we don't want to go too high, do we? No, because then it'll time out. So we need like, oh, I remember these are big though. Like 500. Okay. And we need to send this every. Now that we verified it's working, let's try to get the victim. So I'm gonna. Do I have a timer app? I don't have a timer app. I don't know how to. Oh, we could do this in send to. And engagement tools, extensions, turbo intruder. This is probably a silly idea, but or maybe I could just send to intruder. Send to intruder. Oh, intruder probably won't work, but maybe turbo intruder. And then I want to send this every. So I don't want. For X in range, I don't know, 20. I want to enqueue this, not have the pause, but then I want time.sleep 5, and this should be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then I don't need any of this. Concurrent connections 1. Request per connection 1. Pipeline false. And we're going to just add it all. So this will send one every 5 seconds for 20 times, I think. Oh, halt. What? How did we get it working before? This is H2TE, right? H2TE. So why was content length up here? I don't know why content length was up here. I don't think we need it. Okay. Let's try that. There we go. Now we just have to wait. Yeah, this is working like I. So this is a cool little tool. I gotta use Turbo Intruder more. It's a fast way to do exactly what I wanted. And then we just need to check blog 5. Wait. Oh no, that looks right. Oh no, this does not. This says post HTTP 1. What the crap? Post HTTP 2. Do I need to... Was I just looking at the wrong thing? No, this is the first one. It says HTTP 1-1. Crap. I must be doing something wrong, or thought Turbo Intruder could handle HTTP2 content. But it was definitely using it. Let's Flow. Why doesn't Flow pick up Intruder? Turbo Intruder. Maybe Logger Plus Plus will, but I don't have that installed. Crap. All right. Well, until I can figure out that, we'll do it without this. We'll just send these. Wait 5 seconds. Send. Send. And we'll do this like, I don't know, 5 more times. So, 2, 1. 4 more times. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3 more times. 2 more times. 3, 2, 1. 1 more time. Boom. Okay. Hey, we definitely got somebody, and it is the victim. We got him a bunch of times. We don't have enough data though. So we need him like 200 more. Why? When did we got him a bunch of times? Does that mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Crap, I don't know when I got him. Was it manually? Was it, even though this looked like it was HTTP 1.1? It does, right? I mean, there, this one. That says 1.1. Both of these do. When it should have HTTP 2. I don't know what's going on there. Okay. So we're going to send this. Wait 5 seconds. One, 2, 3. Send this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Send this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Send it. And now let's check. Content like 500. No. So we only got the victim a couple of times. We didn't get the victim all the time. We definitely didn't get him. Oh, post login. What the hell? That was the victim. Did I made it 200 instead of 700? I'm an idiot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna close this. That obviously didn't work. Oh no, I don't. I want to just close this. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 5. We'll send it 5 times. So this is like 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, one more time, just for good luck. Okay. No whammy, no whammy, and got the victim right here. We still don't have. We got to the victim fingerprint. It doesn't look like this one got as much. Post login. Oh, that one didn't get as much. So this was capturing their post page, and this was getting their get to the home page. All right, so we need what? We need another 100 at least. So let's do 8. Yeah, let's do 8. All right, send it. 1, 3, 4, 5. Send it. This is 2. 1, 2, 3, 5. This is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is 5. Okay. Boom. Come on, no whammy, no whammy. Show me that cookie. That sounds inappropriate. What? What the heck? Why didn't, so did it not? Let's change to a different one. Because it's hard to tell. Maybe this was just too long. Let's try 750. And let's post to like 1. So it's brand new. Very frustrating. We're so close to solving this. Come on, just let us. Let us solve it. Come on. Portswigger, come on, please. I'm just playing. Oh, I said it way too fast. 2, 3, 4. It might just do it after. I might not have to wait. Might be triggered by a post. What do I know? Timed out. Face timed out. We'll do one more and then we'll check the blog page. Okay. No. What? This was post. We didn't get the get. Uh, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Two, 3, 4, 5. All right, we're checking after this comes back. I'm getting super done with this one. Oh, we just got the login again. Well, that's fine because the cookies will be, well, it could change the cookies in response to this post. But if we got the post login, we'd have plain text username and password, right? So let's jump up. 2, 3, 4. We'll do one more. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, come on. Yeah. Well, we didn't get username, passwords. So we need like at least another 100. Probably. Accept. Because the accept line is probably going to be, well, login, accept. I don't know. I'm not sure what to do here. We're close. I mean, we're definitely doing something. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. What in the world? 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, one more after this, and then we'll check it And please, oh please, let me get it. I'm not going to end on a proxy error. Okay. Victim fingerprint. No. So last time we ended there. This time we got another 100 and got to here. But this is on the post login. Don't we want to get the get response and not the post login? Whatever. Let's do another 100. Two, three, four, five. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll do 2 more. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 more. 2, 3. All right, that was the last one. So we'll wait for a response. Wait a few seconds. Get the blog. Get the cookies. Log in as the admin. Delete that mother freaking Carlos. And call this one solved. I didn't wait any time, but whatever. Okay. Let's go again. Secret session. Oh, please be 20 characters. How long is this? We want to. Oh, it's got a space. Yes. Oh, you beautiful bastard. Okay. So we're going to add these. Do we need the victim fingerprint? I don't know. We're going to change our session to this. Control A, B. I'm going to save that. We're going to add a secret of this. Add secret that. Save. And then let's try it without the victim fingerprint. And then we're going to go to my account. secret session. I'm going to add the victim fingerprint, which is add victim dash fingerprint. And now we're going to go to slash admin. No, I am logged in. Look at my cookies. I am definitely... See, this is what I was worried about. Is if they freaking log in, if the post login changes the session, then we're screwed. We need the get homepage, not a post. Or we need to capture the... Let's go big. Let's go 1250. All right. Whatever. I've solved this in my head already. Now I just need to solve this on so that they recognize it, which is the lamest part of the solving. We'll do 2 more. All right. Wait for this response. And then we'll wait a couple of seconds. Well, we better send another one. What if we send them like right after each other? What's weird is I'm not getting my own. It makes me wonder if I actually have to wait. Okay. Post login, post login, post login. I don't think we got any new ones. All right, let's move on to post 2. See if we can drag this video out. Oh my gosh, I hate this. 1. We're just going to send them. We'll wait like a second after they come back. So it'd be best if we got the... It looks like the victim logs in, right? So they send a post. Why are we capturing? Oh, but then they probably will send a get. It would be best if we could capture the get. But so far we've been locked in on that post. And we don't have any. Let's test this just to make sure things are still functioning the way We expect them. 1250 is probably going to error on this. It didn't. Let's do, what did I do before? $10.50. Let's only I go up by 100. All right, let's go back to the end. And go to 1150. Oh, crap. I don't want to send this. Okay. Video is dragging on and dragging on and dragging on. How do people do this without Python? I don't want to run. But this would be easier, I think, in Python than trying to time it with burp. Or if I could freaking use Turbo Intruder to send H2E2, I don't know why that won't work. And we're looking at post 2. Okay. So after this one, I'm checking it. Post 2. Got something back. What? Maybe 1100. All right. Well, I think I've solved it. I'm going to look at the freaking the description because I think I've solved it. But I'm just making myself frustrated by trying to do this so much. And this doesn't help. What the hell is going on here? Response queue poisoning. This lab's. Yeah. Even in the solve lab. Response breaking. Admin user will log in every 15 seconds. 10 requests. So maybe I just have I have a bad state now. Set every 10 requests. Every 15 seconds. So did reading the full lab description help at all? Post. We've got the CSRF. If we could get that's interesting. But this won't work because we need the get. Secret session changes. Yeah, we need the get. So how do we make sure we get the get and not the post? Let's try resetting the connection. So proxy. So let's do do a get to the home page. Send to repeater. And we'll make this HTTP2. We'll send it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's great time group reset. We want 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Create. And we want send group in not single separate. Now we can just click this twice to reset. Okay. Now we want this one to be sent single, so let's go through this song and dance. I'm really, really sick of this. I'm gonna probably have to stop the video soon, and you guys will just have to imagine me solving it if I don't actually solve it. 3, 4, 5. Two, 3, 4, 5. Every 15 seconds. So I should only need to send 3. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. They log in. Did I change the size? I don't know if I did. We've only got, well, we've got 3 now. $11.50. Let's reset. How do I click on this one? Select it. I upped it up to 1150, right? F if I know. I'm doing something sort of right. I'm making it harder on myself, and I don't know what to do differently. So as soon as I either solve it or get too frustrated, I'm looking at the solution. I can look at my script. That's the same as looking at the solution. All right, let's reset now. And then let's go see if we caught anything. No, we didn't catch diddly squat. I mean, the same crap that we had. We didn't catch a single new one. All right, I'm looking at the solution. I spent way too much time on this. Yep, we got that. Yep, we got that. So that was, we got that. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I was doing it wrong. Okay. Crap. Glad I looked. Let's change our attack. So this is doing like a get Trevor HTTP 1.1 host this, copy, paste, and then enter. This is H2TE. I don't think content, that one should be there. So yeah. So let's send this a bunch of times until we get a different response. So we got 404. We're looking for a 302. So while I was trying to capture their crap, which I think is a valid attack, this lab is set up more to poison the response queue or desync, responses so that, and we're looking for when the victim tries to log in, what we're hoping to do is capture the response to their post, which would be which would be a 302, but that 302 will have their session cookies. So this is, yeah. So I think I was doing a valid attack. It was just the wrong attack for this situation. And I guess I should have known that by always getting the posts and none of the gets, really. I guess I could have figured it out there, maybe. I don't know. Just sending this a billion times. Trying to capture that 1302. Maybe I'm doing this wrong too. But it looks like I'm doing right because I'm getting like desynced. Or I can send I don't think I've got flow a single 302 yet. Let me read the things one more time. Make sure I did understand it. Proxy get. Oh, yeah. I can send. Wait 5 seconds. Okay. So proxy. Or no, repeater. We can post to Trevor and get Trevor. Wait 5 seconds. Whoops. We don't want to send. And we can let's do this a couple of times to clear out the connection, reset it. Send 2, 3, 4, 5. 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 Send 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Send 2, 3, 4, 5. Send 2, 3, 4, 5. Send 2, 3, 4, 5. Send. Why does this have a freaking content length? Send 2, 3, 4, 5. 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 Send. Okay. So we got a post and then a get. That's right. Send the request. Receive 4. Wait 5 seconds. Most time you'll receive 404. Repeat this until we got a 302. All right. Let's send. Send. Let's do this 3 times. Send. At this point, I don't know if this lab is solvable. 2, 3, 4, 5. Send 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 to. See, we're getting what it says. If you receive some 200 response, can't capture even after a lot of attempts, send 10. We just send 15. Whatever. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is why I think I have to wait until this lab resets. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Psst. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to let the lab reset. Then I'm going to try it again. Okay, so I didn't wait for the lab to reset, but I did do some research on how to get burp intruder or turbo intruder to do HTTP2 requests. I also created this extra reset group that sends HTTP 1.1 requests. And I don't know which one's better, whether HTTP 2 will reset better than HTTP 1, but whatever. Okay, so we should be all reset now. I've sent all of those a bunch of times. I'm going to send this one to extensions, turbo intruder, send to turbo intruder. What I had to do was change the engine to burp 2. This will send HTTP 2 requests. And then I just send it 20 times, wait 5 seconds. I'm going to add it to the table, but I could check if the request status is 302, but I'm not sending that many. In fact, let's change this to 40 and let's do it. My expectation is we get a 302 within the 40 requests. If not, we'll try resetting and doing it again. But you can see now that these are HTTP 2 requests just by changing the engine, which is good to know. Glad I did this. So I'm probably going to do another mystery lab, another session of this tomorrow. We'll see how that goes. If it sucks this bad again tomorrow, then I'll probably do it again until it doesn't suck and I'm really good at it. And then I'll move on. So hopefully tomorrow doesn't suck. Let's cross our fingers for not sucking tomorrow. We're getting lots of 200s, no 302s. So, what should we talk about? This was should we talk? I don't know what else to talk about. This is a crap video. I don't know if I'm even post it. This lab took forever. First lab wasn't too bad. This second lab took forever. I should probably save this script. About to reach the end of. So we'll reset again and then try it again. Status. We're hoping to get a 302 somewhere right there. Have we finished? Request queued 0. Okay. Completed. We didn't get a single 302. Configure F. Okay. We're going to do some resets. Is it better to reset with HTTP2 or HTTP1? My gut says HTTP2, but I don't know. So I sent this group twice. Now I'm sending the group a third time. Separate connections. And this is HTTP1. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5. There's 10. 15. So I should absolutely be reset, right? Let's try attacking again. Come on, 302. Yes! Oh, goodness gracious. Boom. We want to go here. Session. Control A, V. Save. Go to my account. Go to /admin. Just go there. We need, did I halt? Halt. Halt. All of those. Oh, crap. Did I poison the freaking... Hopefully there's no cache. Users, delete this guy. Back to lab dashboard. What? No. Come on. What's going on? Did I solve it or what? Yes, I did. Congratulations. It's solved. Yes. All right. I'm ending the video. Thanks.